Hey everyone, back at you with another video here. In this short video, I am going to recap and go over again what PulseChain is and why I think PulseChain really is here to stay, and why I think this is potentially a life-changing opportunity. This is not a paid-for video, so don't get any ideas why I'm doing a second video here on PulseChain, but I'm going to tell you guys a little bit about the story here and why I think this narrative is really going to play out. So as you guys know from the previous video, PulseChain is an ETH copy, or in my opinion, this might be an ETH killer because of how Richard Hart has built this chain and how it is so robust. And there is a lot of folks and people from the Hex community that are now entering into PulseChain, and he made it very easy for them to do so. So ETH, as you know, has problems with gas fees, and it's, not that decentralized. It is decentralized, but it's not as decentralized as what PulseChain will be. And the reason why I say will be is because this is just starting, guys. And so what's the solution for something like this? Like, ETH obviously has scaling issues too. That's why there's all these different EVMs like Avalanche, Matic, all the scaling solutions for Ethereum, Arbitrum, Optimism, to make transactions a lot quicker. But I think PulseChain is actually the solution to that problem. All right, guys, we're going to get into the chart here. Make sure you guys stay tuned throughout the entire video, and make sure you guys smash up the like button, hit the subscribe button, and always, always, always take that notification bell to get all the updates here at Professor Know-It-All's Trades. Screener, this has the most data. If not, I think we can look at GoPulse, probably the same chart. But I'm looking at the wrapped pulse versus DAI, and this is real DAI, not just PDAI, they call it on PulseChain, which is a forked DAI on chain, which if PulseChain does do this move, which there's really nothing here, it is straight down. And after it breaks this rectangle bottom, which looks like a massive inverse head and shoulders pattern, we're talking about a potential for 163,000%. That is a really big number, guys. I don't know that there's another asset out there that's going to deliver that type of game. Okay. And that's a 1,630x on your money, guys. All right. This is not financial advice. Always remember that. This is me just looking at a chart and what the chart is telling me. And I'm going to throw a MACD on here, and I'm also going to look at a weekly time frame. And from the weekly time frame, we can see the momentum just really building up, this positive momentum here. The 3-day chart is also elevated up here. And if we throw on an RSI, we can also see that. And we can see that we're just teetering, becoming overbought on the 3-day time scale, which to me just means that this movement is just starting. If we go to a weekly chart, we can see we're not even overbought, and we're just a straight line up on the RSI. So a straight line up on the RSI with a potential break on price coming could mean a massive, massive move coming. All right. Make sure you guys make sure you guys stick with me here on these PulseChain updates. I do have a bag of PulseChain. I have a bigger bag of PulseX, which is the DEX, but we'll talk about that in another video. I actually already spoke about this in a previous video, so make sure you guys check that one out. That will be in the same playlist as this. Anything to do with PulseChain, I will be making a playlist on. So make sure you guys stay tuned, stay subscribed, take the notification bell, and we will catch you guys in the next video. So a quick outro here for you guys. I want to thank you guys for tuning into this video. It means a lot to me that you guys do pay attention and stay subscribed to the channel. This is how you're really going to change your lives, because as you guys know, I've been swing trading and trading assets for since 2016, 2017. And this asset right here is doing something that no other asset is really doing that I've seen on these charts. So I wanted to just reiterate this fact. This is not financial advice. You can pick up this asset by going to GoPulse.com, and there is a way to buy it here. You click buy PLS, and you can choose whatever asset you want to exchange it with. I think you can use change now, and if you are wanting to venture into the ecosystem, you can use the dex.DegenProtocol.io. This is just a URL for accessing the PulseX DEX, which is the asset that I am most heavily invested in. All right, that's all. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys in the next one.